Like this, no?
Yeah. Like that.
Hi, it's me again. El Tico, all the way from Costa Rica, pura vida. We are going to be talking today a little bit about different kind of shovel that we use in the landscape. Landscape construction. This is one that I use the most. We use this to dig holes, to plant different size of troughs or plant material, 4 inches, 6 inches, 1 gallon, 5 gallons, 15 gallons, 24-inch boxes. So on this, most of the shovel has this part in here that we use, is done for, we can use the foot to push down so we can break or push the shovel into the ground easier, and instead they just use the fork by the hand. So we also give extra support with the power of the leg. This is a spade shovel used to dig holes. I use this one to cut, like if I want to cut some grass and cut it in a straight line, I use this one to cut the grass like this way, or I use this one to move sod, cut grass, make it and cut like sod like this. It's very easy. Or to move small portions of soil. It's easy, but this they call it. I call this the straight square shovel. This one here is the square shovel. We use this one to remove large amounts of soil, to load a wheelbarrow, or to move a portion of soil from point A to point B, somewhere like that. So it's very practical, this one. We have the round point shovel, and they call it like that because the end of the shovel is round, so it makes sense to call it round. And this also has, you can see here this part larger, because this is a larger tool. And same, we use it like this. This is also to dig hole, but mainly to remove soil from a hole. Very practical to remove soil from a hole. The round tip shovel, and then we have it here the aluminum shovel. Like this one here. This one here is to like to pick up large amount of trash or small debris, like this here, like this. Then put it in a container, a trash can container. So it's very practical. So here we are finished with the shovels, 1 kind, 2 kinds, 3, 4, 5. And then we have long handles, and we have short handles. So each of them, we use each shovel for the special situation. Each shovel. Plus I have one more shovel in here. This we call this the trenching shovel. This one is the trenching shovel, and this one we use this one just practically to remove soil from a narrow trench. Like if we're installing a sprinkler system or a drainage system, this is just only to remove soil. Don't use this to dig. If you use it to dig, it's very gentle, but it's mainly to remove the soil. You can see how it has a special bend in here, because when we put it in the trench, it will be horizontal on the trench. So it's very practical to remove soil this way. So this called this the trenching shovel. Very useful when you installing a sprinkler system or drainage systems. And this is my son, John. This is my assistant number one.
I bring likes and subscribes.
Pura vida. And my daughter
Dark.
Jennifer. So I hope that this video will be useful for you guys when you're working in the landscape field, using the right shovel for the right occasion. So you enjoy working in the landscape, and it's very healthy and it's therapeutical and etc. 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 See you next time. Hasta la vista, mi amigo.